Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, April 12th. We did break lower in that NASDAQ market, so it moved down. The issue is how it moved lower, and it was bouncy at these levels. It implies that we've gotten low enough to find buyers. I do look for follow through to the upside this week, but on Wednesday I'm looking for an inside to slightly higher type day. In the euro, this market also firmed up. It traded at that high. It would have been a green candle. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels is $2,062.50 a contract. I do look for follow through to the upside. It'll be very important to see that action. Feel the same way about the Swissy. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels in that market is $2,100 a contract. It's important to get that follow through today. What I also find interesting is what's going on with the 10-year notes. I don't look for a dramatic move to the upside. We need to see an inside day or maybe a slightly higher day, but basically it needs to be a sign of a loss of momentum, and that's what I'm looking for there. I feel the same way about gold. Even though we have a nice big green candle here, this is not a real strong sign because of its relationship to the previous candles. So I think at these levels, you and I need to be cautious. But let's move on over and take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, yes, we are making new highs. I would not want to be a seller at the current level. However, I still think we need to be cautious. This could easily turn around and back off, and that is what I'm looking for. But when it comes to soybeans, it's bouncy, it's bullish. Can we get follow through? I have my doubts about that, but if buyers are here, we need to close above 965. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Oh, I didn't tell you about corn and wheat. Let's talk about those. In the corn market, the difference between the bullish and bearish levels here in that market is $150 a contract, and over here in wheat, the magnitude change here is $50 a contract, and I look for inside days in both of these markets. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Look forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.